Hello, this is Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy Support Center. In this short video, we're going to be exploring subnets in action. One of the great things about Cisco routers, on the real routers as well as simulated ones in Packet Tracer, is they always route connected networks, making proving this concept quite simple. We are going to work with the 192.168.0.0 network, but we're going to borrow 27 bits. As this is a Class C address, this means that there are only 3 bits borrowed from the last octet of the IP address. This means we have 8 subnets, .0.32.64.96.128.160.192 and .224. You can work this out for yourself. We always count subnets from subnetwork 0. 0 is a number. In binary, in computing and in mathematics, it's ideal to count from 0. So here we can see that subnet 0 is 192.168.0.0, as we can see that subnet 1 is 192.168.0.32. We cannot issue subnet addresses to interfaces on routers, so the def-G, or the default gateway, will be the next available address in this example. So on subnet 0, you can see that .1 is issued to the interface on the router. On subnet 1, we can see that .33 is issued to the interface on the router. Out of the 8 available subnets, we have configured 4 examples there. So subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2 and subnet 3. They're all in sequence, they're all logical. The addressing scheme is the same principle between all of them. They've all got a 192.168 address. They've all got a subnet mask of 255.255.255.224. Here, we can actually look at the configuration of a specific subnet. Here we're looking at subnet 1. We're actually looking at the gigabit Ethernet interface. We can see the configuration and we can see that it's got an IP address of .33 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.224. We can also look at the associated configuration for the personal computer in the same subnet. You can see here it's 192.168.0.34, the next available address, but the default gateway, the router interface address is .33, which is part of the same subnet. You will discover that it's a similar type of configuration across all personal computers within all subnets, and the interfaces on the router are configured in a similar manner. To prove the point, we're going to ping from the third subnet to subnet 0. You can see here that we're proving which PC we're on using the ipconfig command. Then we're going to ping the default gateway of subnet 0. And then at the same time, we're going to ping the PC of subnet 0. And as you can see, it works perfectly well between subnets. So to recap, we created 8 subnets on a Class C address. We have a mask of 255.255.255.224 to enable this. We have subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3, which shows us .0, .32, .64 and .96. And we saw how we were able to ping between different PCs on those subnets. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Andrew Smith from the Open University Cisco Academy Support Center. Please use this as part of your own education, or if you're a teacher, do share this with your students.